We often think of fitness as a simple equation, a straightforward path to a healthier, stronger you. We visualize the dedication, the sweat, and the visible transformations. Work hard, eat right, see results. It's the mantra we repeat, the promise we chase in every workout. But is that all there is to it? But what if there's a hidden force inside you, a biological rhythm quietly orchestrating your body's functions? What if understanding and harnessing this force could unlock even greater potential, pushing you beyond your perceived limits? It's not a supplement or a gadget, no magic pill or trendy device. It's your body's internal clock, your circadian rhythm, a 24-hour cycle that governs countless processes. This rhythm is the silent conductor of your body's orchestra, a master regulator working tirelessly behind the scenes. It's ensuring every cell and organ performs at the right time, optimizing everything from hormone release to muscle repair. When you exercise in sync with this rhythm, when you align your workouts with your body's natural peaks and valleys, you can see more strength, experience a surge in power you didn't know you possessed. You'll unlock better endurance, pushing past fatigue and sustaining peak performance for longer, and you'll enjoy faster recovery, allowing your body to rebuild and adapt more efficiently. Ignore it. Disregard the signals your body is sending, and you risk fatigue, poor results, diminished gains, and even injury. You could be working against your own biology. Science now shows that the timing of your workouts matters a lot. The evidence is clear. When you train is just as important as how you train. By aligning exercise with your body's natural peaks, by understanding your chronotype and tailoring your schedule accordingly, you amplify every session's benefits, maximizing your efforts and accelerating your progress. This isn't about working out longer or harder, pushing yourself to the brink of exhaustion. It's about working smarter, listening to your biology, respecting your internal clock, and optimizing your training for peak performance. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating science of circadian fitness, delving into the intricate mechanisms that govern your body's rhythms. We'll journey from your brain's master clock, the suprachiasmatic nucleus, to the genes in your cells that respond to these daily cycles. We'll see how elite athletes, the pinnacle of physical performance, are already using this knowledge to gain a competitive edge. Most importantly, you'll learn practical, science-backed strategies that you can implement immediately. You'll discover how to harness your own circadian rhythm, tailoring your workouts and lifestyle for optimal results. Get ready to unlock a new level of performance, to tap into a reservoir of potential you never knew existed. The secret has been inside you all along, waiting to be discovered and utilized. Now it's time to use it, to transform your fitness journey and achieve your goals with newfound efficiency and power. Circadian rhythms are fundamental physical, mental, and behavioral changes that orchestrate our lives. These rhythms aren't just abstract concepts, they're deeply ingrained biological processes. They follow a roughly 24-hour cycle, influencing everything from our sleep-wake patterns to hormone release and even body temperature fluctuations. Think of it as an internal metronome, keeping time within our bodies. They're meticulously controlled by your body's master clock, a central regulator that ensures all these processes are synchronized. This master clock is known as the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN, a tiny but powerful region nestled deep within your brain. It's the conductor of your body's internal orchestra. The SCN is highly sensitive and gets its primary cues from light, detecting the rising and setting of the sun each day. This light information allows the SCN to precisely sync your internal time with the external environment, ensuring you're aligned with the day-night cycle. But the story doesn't end there. Every organ, your liver, muscles, even individual fat cells, possesses its own internal clock. Each cell has its own clock, a miniature timekeeping device that regulates its specific functions. These cellular clocks are not independent. They take signals from the SCN, the master clock, ensuring they're all working in harmony. They also respond to your daily habits, like the timing of your meals or when you engage in physical exercise, further fine-tuning their activity. This intricate network of clocks keeps your body running smoothly and efficiently, optimizing various processes throughout the day. It ensures you're primed for peak activity during daylight hours and prepared for restful sleep when night falls. However, modern life, with its constant exposure to artificial light and tendency for late nights, presents a challenge. These factors can significantly disrupt this ancient and finely tuned system, throwing your internal clocks out of whack. This disruption leads to what scientists call circadian misalignment, a state where your internal rhythms are no longer in sync with the outside world. When your internal clock is consistently out of sync with your environment and daily routines, the consequences can be significant. This misalignment can negatively impact your health, fitness, and overall well-being, increasing the risk of various health problems. Therefore, understanding the intricacies of your internal clock and how to maintain its proper function is more important now than ever before. So, let's delve deeper and see just how profound the influence of this fundamental rhythm truly is. Your body clock is driven by a set of genes, clock genes, inside nearly every cell. These genes, like BML1, clock, peer, and cry, switch on and off in a 24-hour cycle, creating your body's daily rhythms. BML1 and clock start the process, activating purr and cry, which then shut the cycle down until it restarts. This loop controls thousands of other genes, affecting metabolism, muscle repair, and inflammation. For fitness, this is huge. BMIL1, for example, peaks in muscle tissue at certain times, making your muscles more efficient and ready for action. Studies show your athletic performance is directly linked to this genetic dance. Your body's very building blocks are under circadian control. Timing matters, even at the DNA level. Your metabolism isn't constant. It follows a daily rhythm set by your internal clocks. In the morning, your body ramps up with higher insulin sensitivity and energy for action. By late afternoon and early evening, your metabolism and core body temperature peak, making muscles more efficient and ready for intense activity. At night, your body shifts to burning fat and repairing itself. Disrupting this rhythm, like eating late, can throw off your metabolism and hinder results. Studies show that working out when your metabolism is naturally higher leads to better performance and greater benefits. The timing of your workout can change its impact at a molecular level. Training in sync with your clock is a game changer. Elite athletes know the power of the body clock. Olympic records show performance peaks in the late afternoon and evening, matching the body's natural highs. Swimmers post their fastest times in evening finals, and baseball teams struggle when jet lag throws off their clocks. Physiological rhythms, like core body temperature and lung function, peak in the late afternoon, boosting strength, flexibility, and reaction time. Sports scientists now tailor training to an athlete's chronotype, morning lark or night owl, to maximize results. Teams adjust travel and training to sync with circadian rhythms. The next frontier in sports science is personalized, clock-based training. You can use these same principles to unlock your own potential. So, when should you work out? Science points to late afternoon and early evening, around 4 to 7 p.m., as the peak window for most people. During this time, your body temperature, strength, and lung function are at their best, but your personal chronotype matters. Morning larks may thrive earlier, while night owls peak later. For fat loss, some research suggests morning fasted workouts can help, but for building muscle and strength, afternoons win. The most important factor: consistency. The best time to exercise is the time you can stick with. If your schedule is flexible, try afternoon workouts and see how you feel. Listen to your body and adjust. The science is a guide. Your routine is personal. Aligning with your circadian rhythm is a powerful step towards optimizing your overall well-being. It's about understanding and respecting the natural rhythms that govern your body's functions. It means more than just timing workouts. It's about synchronizing various aspects of your daily life with your internal clock. This includes everything from when you eat to when you expose yourself to light. Start your day with sunlight. 15 to 30 minutes in the morning resets your clock, suppresses melatonin production, and boosts energy levels, setting a positive tone for the rest of the day. Think of it as giving your body a clear signal that it's time to wake up and be active. In the evening, dim lights and avoid screens, especially those emitting blue light, to help your body wind down, naturally increase melatonin, and prepare for restorative sleep. This creates an environment conducive to deep, restful sleep. Time your meals with your active hours. Eat most of your calories earlier in the day when your metabolism is most efficient, and avoid heavy processed meals late at night, which can disrupt sleep and hinder recovery. Keep a consistent sleep-wake schedule, even on weekends, to stabilize your rhythm and prevent social jet lag, which can negatively impact your health and performance. These habits reinforce your body's natural cycles, improving energy levels throughout the day, enhancing recovery from workouts, and optimizing overall physical and mental performance. Combine smart light exposure, meal timing, and regular sleep with well-timed workouts, ideally aligning your exercise with your peak energy periods. This synergy aligns your life with your biology, creating a harmonious balance that supports optimal health and fitness. Small changes consistently applied can make a big difference in how you feel and perform. Your body clock is your secret fitness tool. Learn to understand it, respect it, and use it to unlock your full potential. Top researchers at Stanford and Harvard are proving the power of circadian fitness. Dr. Jamie Zeitzer's work at Stanford shows how even small amounts of light at the wrong time can disrupt your clock and performance. Dr. Charles Cheisler at Harvard has linked circadian disruption to obesity, diabetes, and poor cognitive function. Their research shows that when you sleep, eat, and exercise matters as much as what you do. Sports medicine experts now help athletes use light therapy, meal timing, and strategic naps to beat jet lag and stay at their peak. The consensus: your circadian rhythm is a pillar of health and performance. Small, informed changes to your routine can have a big impact. This isn't a trend, it's science-backed strategy for a stronger, healthier life. Your circadian rhythm is the framework for your health and fitness. Working with it means more energy, better results, and deeper sleep. Align your workouts with your body's natural peaks for a bigger payoff. Start with morning sunlight, consistent sleep, and smart meal timing. Experiment with afternoon workouts and listen to your body's signals. Whether you're a morning lark or night owl, understanding your rhythm unlocks your best self. This is about smart, science-based choices, not magic bullets. Make one small change today to better align with your internal clock. Your body's symphony is ready to play in harmony. Listen to the rhythm. Your peak potential is waiting.